What's up, Hair Business Blueprint? It's your hair business's best friend, Mikey. And today I am here to remind you, we have the Hair Biz Happy Hour coming up. That's where I am gonna have a drink with you and go over something to help your hair business. In the August edition of the Hair Biz Happy Hour, we are going to talk about Shopify magic and AI for your hair business. I'm gonna do a light dive into this subject and how it can help you grow your business. AI is incredible if used properly. It can save you a lot of time. Also, that's going to be the first half of the Hair Biz Happy Hour. The second half, we have a chat section. I'm expecting you to put in a whole bunch of questions that I can answer on a Zoom call and help you in your business, and then everyone can learn from the questions that are asked. I have a link in the description. It is free to join the Hair Biz Happy Hour. I would love for you to be there. Also, within that link, you can also notice some upcoming classes in Atlanta. I would say each class for your business is worth anywhere between $10,000 and $100,000. No, if you've been in one of my classes before, you will understand the value of it, how it will open up your mind. These are workshop classes, the upcoming classes. So there's two types of classes I do. There is a theory class, and it kind of explains the theory behind why we're doing certain things for your business. And then there's a workshop class, and that is you have your laptop, we're all working together, we're getting things done, we're working on your business together. Upcoming classes are all workshop classes. I need you to be here in Atlanta if you're serious about growing your hair business, because it's going to be a lot of fun and you won't believe what you can get done in one day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure you click the link and sign up for the free Hair Biz Happy Hour coming up soon, and they're going to be every single month with a new topic. I'll see you guys later.